Greetings and welcome to Excel Made Easy. In this brief tutorial, I will demonstrate a simple method for subtracting numbers in Excel. Without further delay, let's get started with the steps. To start with, it's important to realize that there's more than one way how to do subtraction in Excel. And these methods are more advanced. Here we're going to concentrate on the basic, simple way how to subtract two numbers in a table. We'll use this table as an example to show how to work out anything we need step by step. There are numbers written in column E and column B. Thanks to an easy formula, we'll subtract them and the result will appear in column C. First, click on the cell in which you want to display the result. Let's select cell C2 for our first calculation. Now, find the equal key and press it. This works as some kind of signal to Excel that we want to enter a formula in the cell. Then we click on the cell that contains the first number to be subtracted. In this case, it's cell A2. Once we've selected the cell, we can see how another part of the formula appeared after the equal sign. It's the cell reference A2. Next, we need to add the symbol for the mathematical operation we want to carry out. So we'll use a minus sign, which is used for subtraction in Excel. After that, click on the cell which contains the minuend, which is B2. So, what we've just done is that we've told Excel to subtract the number in cell B2 from the number in cell A2. Press Enter and you're done. The result is available at once. You can use similar steps to add, multiply, or even divide in Excel. You can watch separate tutorials that describe how to do these calculations in more detail. But this is not all. Here comes a handy little life hack just for you. If you need to subtract the numbers in rows 3 and 4, click on the cell containing the formula we've just created, which is cell C2. Hover over the bottom right corner of the cell until you see a cross symbol. Then use left click to drag the formula down through the rest of the rows. And that's it. Well done. You've managed to subtract the numbers in all 3 rows. If you have found this video useful, please show your support by liking it and subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you will be notified when we release new videos on Excel Made Easy. To learn more efficient ways to use Excel, feel free to check out our other videos. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.